Fun time. Activity 1. Observe the following pictures. Say the sentences using it is. Now say and write the remaining sentences. It is a book. Next. It is a bus. It is a bus. Capital letter right here. It is a bus. It is a bus. Next. It is a bottle. A bottle. It is a bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E bottle. It is a bottle. Next, it is a school. It is a bottle. It is a school. I-T-I-S-E-S, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. It is a road. I-T-I-S-E-S, road. R-O-A-D, road. It is a road. It is a bow. It is a bus. It is a road. It is a bottle. It is a school. Here are these sentences. Activity 2. Look at the picture. Take the right pronoun. Write here pronoun rightly. He, she, it. Which is correct? She. Next. Who are here? He, she, it. Which is correct one? He. Next. What do you see in the picture? Here are she, they, it. Which is correct? They. Here is chair. They, it, she. It is a chair. It is correct. Here is a ball. It is a ball. It, he, they. Which is the correct one? It. It. It is a ball. What are doing here? Here are playing. They are playing. He, they, it. Which is correct one? They are playing. They is correct. Are you right? Yes, you are right. Correctly. Activity 3. Ask the following to observe the following sentences. Mother was walking to the school. Walking to school. Mother. Mother was walking to school. He helped the old man to cross the road. They crossed the road. Here, he and they are used in place of naming words. They are called pronouns. Names called nouns. Madhav, Rama, Lata are nouns. Nouns placed he, she, it comes here. He is a man. It is a table. They are. They are playing. She is Lata. నౌన్స్కు బదులుగా వాడేటువంటి పదాలను ప్రొనౌన్స్ అంటారు. అవి అతడు, ఆమె, వారు ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ వస్తాయి. హీ, ఇట్, షీ, దే. Ronnie likes ice cream. She is eating an ice cream. రాణి ఐస్ తింటూ ఉంది. మరలా రాణి అనే బదులు షీ యూజ్ చేస్తారు ఆమెకు. షీ ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ అండ్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్. షీ ప్రొనౌన్, రాణి నౌన్. Manu sings well. Manu noun. He is singing a song. He pronoun. The lion is a wild animal. The lion noun. It lives in a forest. It pronoun. Bunty and Chinny are brothers. Bunty, Chinny. Here are names, nouns. They are sitting. They pronoun. Rani, she. Rani noun, she pronoun. Manu noun, he pronoun. The lion noun, it pronoun. Bunny, Bunty, Chinny nouns. They pronoun. Activity 4. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letter and full stop wherever necessary. I helped an old man. I, capital letter I, helped, H-E-L-P-D, I helped an old man, O-L-D. And I helped an old man, old, old man, man, man. I helped an old man. First letter is capital letter. Next word, full stop. Next, circle time, practice time. Your teacher will say the words loud, aloud. Repeat after him or her. Lap, L-A-P, lap. M-A-N, man. M-A-D, mad. N-E-T, net. P-E-N, pen. P-E-G, peg. L-I-T, lit. L-I-P, lip. N-I-P, nip. C-O-P, cop. D-O-N, done. D-O-G, dog. C-U-D, cud. C-U-T, cut. C-O-P, cup. Next exercise, copy the following sentence. ఇక్కడ ఎలా రాశారో సేమ్. యు ఆర్ రైట్. ఇక్కడ రాసిన విధంగా మీరు 4 lines మిడిల్ రాయాలి. 4 lines M, A, Y, మే, I. 2 lines H, 2 lines H, U. 2 lines middle, help. 3 line P, 2 lines. ఈ విధంగా కొన్ని పైకి వెళ్ళాలి, కొన్ని క్రిందికి రాయాలి. ఆ విధంగా మీరు కూడా రాయాలి. నేను రాస్తున్నాను చూడండి పిల్లలు, అదే విధంగా మీరు రాయండి. ఎం పైకి పోవాలి. M-A-Y, మే, I పైకి రాయాలి. హెల్ప్, హెచ్ పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. HELP, పి డౌన్కు రావాలి. మే ఐ హెల్ప్. వై డౌన్ రావాలి. YOU మిడిల్. క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. ఈ విధంగా రాయాలి. రాస్తారు కదా పిల్లలు.